Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add alternative text to images in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page where we can get started editing our store with all the options we have right here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So now let's go ahead and see how to get started. The first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the online store section right here. So I'm going to click on online store. That's going to automatically open up this themes section right here where we can take a look at the theme we are using and we can get started editing it. So basically guys, as you can see right here on the official help Shopify center, we can see adding alternative text to our images, how it's done, and the steps we need to follow. So first you want to open up the theme section as I have just showed you. So you want to find the theme you want to edit and then click customize. So I'm going to click the customize button right here, after which it's going to open up this customize menu where we can get started editing our theme. And as you can see from the theme editor sidebars, click the section with the image that needs alt text. So now you can find your section right here where your image is. Currently, as you can see, I do not have any images, but if you find your section right here with the image, the next thing you want to do is click on the image and click edit on the image. In the dialog that appears, you want to enter in the alternative text and then click save, and after that just save everything. So find your image right here under your section, and after that go ahead and click that image, edit it, save it right here in the upper right corner, and apply your changes to your theme. But yeah guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.